Today I would like to welcome you to Northwest Point, here in Yorkeys Knob. Cantilevered over the bay and nestled into the granite cliffs on close to half an acre, this architectural masterpiece sits 100 meters above sea level. Designed to harmonize perfectly with its natural surroundings and capture the cooling ocean breezes. From every angle, you're treated to breathtaking views across the coral sea, the beach and surrounding mountains via the large picture windows. Imagine relaxing here with your friends and family on the many decks and balconies whilst gazing the views you will never get tired of. This home carries an undeniable charm, yet it's built with the strength and solidity of a fortress. Inside, there's no shortage of space, with cathedral ceilings, a large kitchen, multiple owner suites and bathrooms overlooking the ocean, a self-contained flat, a choice of indoor and outdoor living areas, plus laundry, sewing rooms, library, an office, the list goes on. And outside, a spectacular 100,000-litre pool that takes center stage. It's vast, it's inviting, and it's perfectly positioned to embrace the ocean views. My name is Jan, and this is Tropical Living.